Okay, welcome back to Mix Technology, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can bypass KYC of any platform of your choice. And in this video I'm going to be covering everything. And of course, if you want me to help you bypass KYC, you can inbox me on Telegram at hacker256 and I can do it for you. And all documents and all tools used in this video, you can always get them from me if you inbox me on Telegram. So guys, get your stuff ready. Let's get into the video and learn how to bypass KYC. No, actually they've actually just told me right now that I'm not allowed. YouTube is like, I'm not allowed to share this course with you guys, so I'm going to be cutting through showing you exactly what is in the course, and then for those that need it and actually want to bypass KYC, you inbox me in Telegram so that I can give you the full details. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we are done, and we've set up everything. As you can see there, right there, that's the course, that's the complete course. When you're done with that, you'll be able to bypass all those kinds of websites that need KYC. The Revolut, you'll be able to bypass Coinbase, and all those sites you're seeing on your screen right there. You are able to use that method, and you are able to bypass all that KYC. And it's very easy. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do. You don't need any ICT. I will explain to you everything. I'll give you everything in details so that you'll be able to make it a business or anything. So verified accounts, you know. If you're interested, just inbox me on Telegram so that we can get straight into it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.